The weather is hot and the tropics are certainly heating up across the Pacific. Look at this. We've got action tonight, and we have got not one but two significant storms. Hurricane Fausto, a Category 1 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, moving west towards Hawaii. It'll be actually passing by close, but not directly at the islands, and hopefully weakening with time. But then we're going to go east to a much more significant and stronger system. This is Hurricane Genevieve, a very powerful Category 4 storm. Could be a Category 5 storm in the coming hours. This thing means business. Look at this. Winds of 155 miles an hour, and this storm is packing quite the punch, moving west to west-northwest. Now the pressure is falling. We expect this system to potentially become a Category 5 momentarily, and it will be moving west-northwestward, ultimately getting weaker the further north it gets. But this system is significant. It's got a lot of lightning action, not only around the outer bands, but in particular and more significantly right around the eye wall. That tells us a strong system with intense thunderstorm coverage happening right there along and out ahead of the actual eye. Remember, inside the eye, you've got clear skies, but around it, you've got a lot of lightning happening tonight. So we are watching this system, and the waves are going to be big, moving on towards Mexico and Baja over the next several hours and the next day or two. And then north of there, it'll be coming onshore to potentially California out of the south. So this will be a strong southerly swell that could make it dangerous for swimmers and beachgoers alike. But no doubt the surfers will definitely want to catch this one. Just basically pay attention to the lifeguard warnings with this toward the middle to latter part of the week. And we are looking back at the day that was Sunday across Bakersfield. Skies were pretty to behold. Mid and high level moisture streaming in from the south. The temperature got up to 99 along the 99, which is the average for the date. Record 117 back in 1931. And we're doing good in the low department. 71, the average low just up above that by 1. At 72, you can see those clouds coming on in. Underneath them, not much for our area, but this morning had some showers and thunderstorms eastern San Diego into Imperial County, moving on from an impulse out of Sonora, Mexico with the monsoonal push. The theme so far this summer has been a monsoon for us, but a lot of heat for the desert continuing into tomorrow. An extreme heat warning with highs expected to climb up to 105 to 111. And then we're going to take a look at the forecast that will be over the next several days for the South Valley. Near average temperatures next couple days. Desert's hotter. Next heat up in sight for midweek and beyond. That's when we enter heat wave number 3 territory, and that is when it could be very hot by next weekend. So get ready for that. Let's take a look at the temperature trend. You can see around or below average, and then boom, back into the red we go. The South Valley, look at that, 98-degree highs Monday and Tuesday. Back to potentially above 100 by Wednesday and Thursday. Could be up to 105 or higher towards next weekend. Lows not too shabby yet, but getting warmer too. The mountains from Tehachapi to Fraser Park, mid to upper 80s, and then launching into the 90s by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It'll be called hot this time around. The KRV also not escaping the heat this time. For the next 2 to 3, maybe under 100, and then you go up to 102, potentially 105 or even 106 by next weekend. Get ready. And the desert is going to sizzle more than anybody else. Look at these numbers tomorrow, about 108. And then we could be talking about the 100 and teens by next weekend. Please play it safe.